Imagine a future where AI language models redefine healthcare, education, and entertainment industries. Visualize healthcare systems empowered by NLP's ability to swiftly analyze vast medical literature, providing doctors with real time insights for accurate diagnosis and treatment plans. Envision classrooms where AI driven language models facilitate personalized learning experiences, adapting content to individual student needs. Picture entertainment platforms that create immersive narratives tailored to each user's preferences, elevating user engagement and enjoyment. The potential to revolutionize industries is within our grasps as NLP transforms user experiences and reshapes the way we interact with technology. All of this and more is possible with large language models like the ones from OpenAI's GPT family and related, which, as you learned in this course, working with the GPT models using OpenAI's API is way easier than working with traditional models where you had to do a lot of coding, data cleansing, splitting data into test and train, selecting models, reviewing results, and more. However, if you're interested in getting more technical with machine learning, I would like to mention that I created a course called Machine Learning with Python Practical Application, where I teach you how to pick the right algorithm to solve several different types of problems that you may run into. LLMs are great, but having a deeper technical knowledge of machine learning algorithms is always a good idea. But going back to the OpenAI API, if you need or want to develop a generative AI application, the best way to go is using the OpenAI API. And now, let me just give you a few final words and say goodbye.